Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox my July 2021 Boxycharm. I have not opened this box. I don't know what's inside. This is gonna be my first impression. And if you wanna know what I got, please stay so we can see what's inside. Okay, so like I said, I don't know what's inside. I'm really intrigued to see what it's in here. Let's open it, and the first thing that I see is the card. It's telling what it's gonna be inside the box. Boxycharm Fantasy. Oh, this is a really cute theme. It's a really cute card, and right here it has listed everything that I got in my box. So the first thing it's gonna be I'm just gonna go in the order in my card to see what it is, and it's gonna be the Pharmacy whipped greens oil free foaming cleanser. I think this is my what I chose. I really like skincare products, so I'm very happy to get this. I'm not gonna open it though because I have a lot of skincare products around the house that I need to get through before I can open another one. Yeah, okay, and the price for this one is $28. Okay, the next product in my in the list is the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. I am not very familiar with this brand, but the packaging is super cute. It's so adorable. Okay, let's open it and see what's with it. Okay. So cute. Okay, it's very nice. It's a setting powder. The color is oat. Okay, it's really cute. Very, very, very cute packaging. I love it. Okay, the next product. Did I say the price is $24? The next product is Mud Masking. It is vitamin infused eye serum. Okay, and I guess is this one right here. The value is $63, and it's the delicate skin around the eyes in 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. Okay. Like I said, I really enjoy skincare, so I'm very happy to get this, and I'm gonna give it a try, and I'll let you know what I think about it or my thoughts on it. Okay. Good. So far, I'm liking this box a lot. The next product is Risa Be Obsessed Spray Vacation in a Bottle. Formulated with the gold infused Shield Mystic 7, pink Himalaya sea salt, and Hawaiian black lava sea salt, this spray creates and defines natural looking beachy waves and does not weigh the hair down. Okay, this retails for $20, and I guess it's this one right here. Yes. Okay, I'm very happy to get this. It's a hairspray, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it for sure. Okay, not too bad. And last but not least, I got this Beauty Bold Erupt lip set. This lip set includes a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. It retails for $18.50, and let's see the color. I'm gonna leave here in the side all the products, how much they retail, and the cost of the box. I only paid $25 plus taxes, so I'm really happy with this box, and the color is super cute. It's made Natty Nat, and the lip liner is Carmine. Okay, this is very pretty. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yeah, this is so pretty. I don't know if you can see it right there. We'll try to get it. Okay. That's a pretty color. This is a pretty color. And the lipstick. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yes, I'm very happy. This is such a pretty color. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you get. Are you happy with your box? What were you expecting to get? What do you want to get? And if you like this that kind of videos, let me know and hit the little bell to subscribe. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!